Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Deskera CRM. Deskera CRM is a simple and powerful customer relationship management tool designed for small and medium businesses. It helps you manage your leads, contacts, deals, and sales pipeline all in one place. You can easily add new leads and track their journey until they become paying customers. The dashboard gives you a clear view of sales activities, helping you make better decisions. Deskera CRM also lets you schedule follow-ups and reminders so you never miss a sales opportunity. You can send emails directly from the platform and keep records of all conversations. It offers a Pro plan for $199, a mid-market plan for $249, and an enterprise plan for custom pricing per month per user. The system supports team collaboration by letting multiple users access and update the data. You can assign tasks to your team and monitor their performance with ease. To sign in for your account, continue with Google. After that, choose a Google account and continue it. Deskera integrates with other Deskera tools like accounting and HR for full business control. It works on both desktop and mobile, so you can stay connected with customers anywhere. Reports and analytics in Deskera CRM shows your sales performance and revenue trends clearly. You don't need much technical knowledge to use it, as the interface is clean and user-friendly. It helps improve customer satisfaction by keeping all their data organized and accessible. Overall, Deskera CRM is a great tool for growing businesses that want to boost sales and save time. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.